Kickoff does come with a card only if you get a secure credit card with them. If you just get their $750 account, that is not going to come with a card. They're just going to report to the credit bureaus. They're not going to actually send you a card. But if you actually get their secure credit card, then that one is actually going to come with a credit card. Let me look up this Kickoff card too, because Kickoff, they just recently had their secure credit card, and that's different than what we're used to with Kickoff. So they're saying you can join the waiting list for the card. Our $200 cash with qualifying deposits. So it's called the Kickoff Credit Plus Cash Card. It's a secure credit card that works like a debit card and a checking account. So you guys are going to earn cash back. Overdraft protection. You'll get paid early with it too. You could pay 2 days early, build credit with your banking service, and then 2 monthly ATM fee reimbursements. There's no fees at all, no credit check. It is insured from the FDIC, and you could join that waiting list. Now, when I get into my account, you guys, let me double check. Let me actually try to log into my account and see. Let me see, because I was able to join right away for this one, but I don't want it. Like the days of me testing out my credit for y'all is over. I'm not just gonna get in these accounts anymore. Like, um, oh, I just have it on here where they said I can learn more, not actually do it. Let me share my screen since I'm actually logged in now. So here's my Kickoff account. So here's the one where you get the actual cash card. And then here is that credit account, that $750 credit account. Mine is only 500 because I actually signed up for it when it was only 500 before I went to $750. So here's that cash account of $750. But if you actually get the cash card right here, then you definitely are going to get a MasterCard in the mail. Continue. I want to see if they're going to let me apply. Sign up. Oh, wow. Okay. That's not my actual home address. Good thing, right? I put something different in there just in case it happened. But okay, so I can actually sign up for that account right now, which is really amazing. Okay, look at me. Okay. I'm happy that I'm able to sign up, but I don't want to sign up for that. Like, I don't want it, y'all. I do not want it. Okay. That is really good that they have that. But yeah, if you get that card, then you can actually